Aeon Study Circle. Success on your fingertip. നിങ്ങൾ സൂര്യനെ പോലെ തിളങ്ങണമെങ്കിൽ ആദ്യം സൂര്യനെ പോലെ എരിയണം. Civil Service Examination and Kerala Administrative Service Model Prelim Test Series 2020 Dakshata 2020. Dakshata 2020 Test number 2 date 19th April 2020 Model Test for Current Affairs June 2019. First question. Consider the following statement about Ashoka and choose the correct ones. First statement is called Devanam Priyadarshi. Second statement, Amartyas was administrative office of Ashoka Kingdom. Third, he supported Buddhism. Code A1 and 2, B1 and 3, C2 and 3, D all the above. The question for the all statements are correct or not. Discuss. Ashoka, or better known as the emperor of Ashoka the Great, was Mauryan king. The name Ashoka means without sorrow. He has been referred with many of other names such as Devapriya, meaning the beloved of the god, and Priyadarshini, one who regarded everyone admirably. That is, first statement is correct for first question. Priyadarshini is a other name of Ashoka. Second statement, Amartyas were some sort of administrative personnel or civil servant who filled the highest administrative and judicial appointment. Their pay scale, service rule, and the method of payment were clearly laid down. Their role and function were very important, for all governmental work proceed from them. That is, second statement is correct. Third statement, Ashoka expressed support for all the major religion of time: Buddhism, Brahmanism, Jainism, and Ajaivism. That is, answer is D. All statements are correct. Second question. Choose the correct statement using the code given below. Wetland International is dedicated to maintaining and restoring wetland for their environmental values as well as for the service they provide to people. Second statement, Wetland International is a global not-for-profit organization dedicated to the conservation and restoration of wetland. Code A 1 only, B 1 only 2, C both 1 and 2, D neither 1 or 2. Wetland International is a global organization that works to sustain and restore wetland and the resource for people and biodiversity. It is an independent, not-for-profit global organization supported by government and NGO membership from around the world. It was founded in 1937 as the International Wildfowl Inquiry, and the organization was focused on protection of waterbirds. Later, the name became International Waterfowl and Wetland Research Bureau. The scope became wider. Besides waterbird, the organization was also working on the protection of wetland areas. Later, organization with similar objective emerged in Asia and the Americas. The Asian Wetland Bureau initiated the Interwater in 1983 and Wetland for Americans initiative in 1989. In 1991, the three organizations started working closely together. In 1995, the working relation developed into a global organization, Wetland International. The answer is C. Question number 3. Consider the following statement regarding cancer and its staging. Statement 1. Staging of cancer is process of knowing how far the cancer has spread when first diagnosed. Second statement, two main type of staging system include numbering system and TNM staging system. Because statement 3, staging help in the planning in the course of treatment. Fourth statement, stage 4 cancer involves spread of cancer to distant organ of the body and is called metastatic cancer. Which of the above statements are correct? A. 1 and 2, B. 2 and 3, C. 1, 3 and 4, D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Staging is a process of measuring how far a cancer has spread when it first diagnosed. It often involves a scan and other tests. Knowing the stage of cancer important as it helps doctors to work out the best treatment option. The TNM system is the most widely used cancer staging system. The N refers to the number of nearby lymph nodes that have cancer. The M refers to whether the cancer has metastasized. This means the cancer has spread from the primary tumor to the other parts of the body. Staging is a process of finding out how much cancer is a person, body and where located. It how the doctor determine the stage of person cancer. Cancer can also spread regionally to nearby lymph nodes, tissues and organs. And it can spread the distant part of the body. When this happens, it is called metastatic cancer. For many types of cancer, it also called stage 4 cancer. Therefore, the answer D, all statements are correct. Question number 4. Consider the following statement about Gupta Empire and choose the correct ones. First one, Chandragupta first established Gupta Empire. Second statement, Gupta period is regarded as the golden age of Indian culture. Third statement, Kalidasa belonged to the Gupta period. Code A 1 and 2, B only 2, 3. C 2 and 3, D all the above. 320 and 550 CE. The period is not for its achievement in the arts, architecture, science, religion and philosophy. Chandragupta first stated the rapid expansion of Gupta Empire and soon established himself first sovereign ruler of the empire. Prosperity of the Gupta Empire initiated period known as the Golden Age of India, marked by the extensive invention of discoveries in the science, technology, engineering, art, literature, logic, mathematics, astronomy, religion and philosophy. Kalidasa, most renowned classical Sanskrit scholar, is widely regarded the greatest poet of the dramatist in the classical history. His period has not been dated to places, most like fall in the Gupta period in 5th century AD. That is, answer is C. Question number 5. Consider the following sentence which refers to the Goods and Service Tax Network GSTN. First statement, it is a private not-for-profit company in which the central government and state and union territory together hold 49%. Second statement, it is a company to provide IT infrastructure and service to central and state government for the implementation of the GST. Question, which of the statements is true? A 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2, D none of the above. Empowered Committee recommended creation to special purpose vehicle for implementing the GST system project to enabling efficient, reliable provision of service and demanding environment. The EC recommended the non-government structure for GSTN SPV, which government equity for 49%, central to 24.5% and state 24.5%, that is 49%. After the considering key parameters such as independence of management, strategic control of government, flexibility in organizational structure, agility in the decision making and ability to hire and retaining component human resources. Goods and Service Tax Network is a non-profit non-government company which will provide shared IT infrastructure and service to both central and state government, include taxpayers and other stakeholders. The front-end service of registration, return and payment to all taxpayers will be provided by GSTN. It will be the interface between the government and taxpayers. The answer is both statements are true. That is C is the answer. Sixth statement. Consider the following statement about the lake. First statement. It is the second largest brackish water lake or lagoon in India. Second statement. The lake is fed to the Aravi and Kalangi river. Third statement. The barrier island of Sriharikot separate the lake from the Bay of Bengal. Identify the lake from the given statement. A. Sambar Lake. B. Kolleru Lake. C. Pulikot Lake. D. Vembanad Lake. Pulikot Lagoon is the second largest brackish water lagoon in India after Chilka Lake. Pulikot Lake is fed by the river Kalinga and the river Harani. The lagoon is separated from the Bay of Bengal by the barrier island, which is the Sriharikota. The lake has many nutrients due to which macroscopic plants grow in the plenty. The lake encompasses the Pulikot Lake Based Sanctuary. The barrier island of Sriharikota separates the lake from Bay of Bengal and is home Satish Dhawan Space Center. Major part of the lake comes under the Nellore district of Andhra Pradesh. The statement is C. Is correct. The Pulikot Lagoon. Question number 7. Consider the following statement regarding the impeachment of the president. First statement. If the impeachment motion is passed to the second house of the parliament, the second house acts as a quasi-judicial body. Second statement. Nominated members of both the houses of parliament cannot participate in the impeachment process. Third statement. The impeachment charge should be signed by the at least 25% of members of initiating house of the parliament. Fourth statement. The elected members of the legislative assemblies of Delhi and Puducherry also participate in the process. Question. Which of the statements given above is correct? A. 1 and 2 and 3. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 3. D. All the above. Procedure for impeachment of president. When a president is impeached for violation of constitution, the charge shall be preferred by the either house of parliament. No such charge shall be preferred unless the proposal to prefer such charge is contained a resolution which has been removed after at least 14 days. Notice in writing signed by the not less than the 1/4 of the total number of the members of the house has been given their intent to move the resolution, and such a resolution has been passed by the majority of not less than 2/3 of the total membership of the house. When a charge of has been so preferred by the either house of parliament, the other house shall investigate the charge or close the charge. The investigation, the president shall have the right to appear and the represented at such investigation. If as a result the investigation or resolution is passed by the majority of the not less than 2/3 of the total membership of house, but which the charge was investigation or closed to be investigated, declaring that the charge preferred against the president has been sustained, such resolution has been effect of removing of the president from his office as from the date on which the resolution shall be passed. That is, answer is C. Question number 8. Consider the following statement with respect to the ecological succession. Statement 1. The process of primary succession has a long duration and is more difficult to observe than secondary succession. Second statement. The entire sequence of communities is given area succeeding each other during the course of succession is called climax. Which of the statement given above is correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Ecological succession. The process by which communities of plant and animal species in area are replaced or changed into another over a period of time is known as ecological succession. Succession is a universal process of directional change in vegetation on ecological time scale. Succession occurs due to large scale charge on destruction. The process involved a progressive series of changes which one community replacing another until a stable nature climax community developed. Increased productivity, the split of nutrient from the reservoirs, increased diversity of organisms, or a gradual increase in the complexity of food webs. Succession would occurs fast in the area existing in the middle of the large continent. This is because a seed of plant belonging to different source would reach much faster. That is, the answer is A is correct. Code number A is correct. Question number 9. Consider the following statement and choose the correct one. Statement 1. The spinal cord is the only place in the human body where significant magnetic field is produced. 2. MRI, magnetic resonance imaging, uses magnetic field produced within the human body to get internal image. Code A 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2, D neither 1 or 2. The intense field used by the medical scanners, which are around 1 lakh times stronger than the Earth's magnetic field, can trigger neuroscience, dissonance, and the metallic test in the mouth, but these affect the temporary. The effect of more commonly encountered field are, however, much less clear. Magnetic resonance imaging (MRI) is also known as a nuclear magnetic resonance imaging. Is a scanning technique for creating detailed image of human body. The scan uses a strong magnetic field and radio waves to generate image of parts of the body that can be seen as well with X-rays, CT scan or ultrasound. That is, code number B is the correct. Question number 10. Which of the following features were introduced by Indo-Islamic architecture in India? First, pyramidal roof. Second, use of concrete in construction. 3. Kiosks. 4. Carmilla ceilings. 5. Domes and minars. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A 1, 2, 5. B 2, 3, 4. C 3, 4, 5. D 2, 3, 5. Indo-Islamic architecture. With the advent of Islam in the Indian subcontinent around the 7th century, Indo-Islamic architecture, a mixture of Indian, Persian, Arab and Turkish, is also made root in India. The early building, the slave dynasty, constructed a false dome and a false arch. Introduction of true arch and true domes started the appearance with the construction of Ali Darwaza by the side of Qutb Minar by Alauddin Khilji. Distinguishing feature of Indo-Islamic architecture: kiosk, tall towers, half-dome structure, jali work, calligraphy, pictography. The answer is D. Question number 10. Question number 11. Which of the following ideals are mentioned in the preamble of the Indian Constitution? Statement A. Equality of social and economic status. 2. Liberty of action, expression, faith and worship. 3. Promotion of collectivism rather than individual rights for political and justice. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A 1 and 4. B 2 and 3. C 4 only. D 1, 2, 4. The preamble of states: we the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into sovereign socialist, secular, democratic republic and the secular to all citizens India, justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought of expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and opportunity, and promote among the board. Fraternity assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity of the integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. The answer is C. Question number 12. Consider the following statement about the Milan 2018. First, Milan is a congregation of littoral navies conducted binary by Indian Navy. Second, it witnessed a diverse mix of professional exercise and seminars, social events and sporting fixtures. Statement 3. It is a joint exercise between countries bordering Indian Ocean region and South Atlantic Ocean region. Question. Which of the statements given above is correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3. C. 3 only. D. 1 and 2. Exercise Milan. It is a biennial multilateral naval exercise which started in 1995. The Navy has held 10 editions of the Milan exercise with the theme of synergy across the seas to enhance professional interaction between friendly foreign navies and learn best practice from each other since 1995. It was conducted by the Andaman and Nicobar Command until 2018. It was held under the Aegis Eastern Naval Command. Over 14 countries were expected to participate in the exercise 2020. Therefore, answer is D of question number 12. Question number 30. Which reference to UNESCO World Heritage Site considers the following statement? First one, Great Himalayan National Park is India's first mixed heritage site of UNESCO World Heritage List. Second, Mumbai Victorian Art Deco Ensemble has been added in the list in 2018. Which of the statements given above is correct? A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. both 1 and 2, D. neither 1 nor 2. Kanchenjunga National Park, also Kanchenjunga Biosphere Reserve, is national park and biosphere reserve located in Sikkim, India. It was inscribed to the UNESCO World Heritage Site list in July 2016, became the first mixed heritage site of India. This ensemble of Victorian Gothic and Art Deco building was added the list World Heritage Site on 13th June 2018 during 42nd session of World Heritage Committee at Manama, Bahrain. That is question number 13, answer B. Question number 14. Consider the following statement about recently launched Blue Aadhaar. First statement, it has been launched by UDAI exclusively for BPL household. Second statement, it can be used to avail government scholarship. Statement 3, the data will be updated after 5 years. Which of the statement given above is correct? A. 2 and 3, B. 3 only, C. 1 and 3, D. 2 only. Bal Aadhaar. The blue colored Aadhaar card will to be given children below the age of 5 years. To get Bal Aadhaar, no biometric details will be needed. When the child turns 5, a mandatory biometric update will be required. The update would be done for free, and free for the same. The parent would be required to take their child to any nearby Aadhaar center. The child's school identification card be used as the identity proof of Aadhaar enrollment. The biometric data of the child would have been updated at the age of 5 years and then again at the age of 15 years. Through Aadhaar is mandatory of children of this age is required for these attending education program or avail the government of scholarships. That was answer is D. Question number 15. Consider the following statement about Kusum. Kusum aimed to provide farmers to advanced technology to generate power. Second statement, it also aimed to provide farmers extra income by selling surplus solar power to DISCOM Third statement, to provide for installation of grid-connected solar power plant, each of the capacity up to 2000 megawatt in the rural area. Which of the statement given above is correct? A. 1 and 2, B. 2 only, C. 1 and 3, D. 1, 2, 3. Kusum scheme. The ministry responsible for this scheme is New and Renewable Energy Ministry. Initially, the government will distribute 1.75 million off-grid agricultural solar pumps. The state electricity distribution companies, also called DISCOM, will buy the additional solar power produced by the farmers at Boron lands. DISCOM will get soap to buy this electricity. 2 well and existing pump of the government will be converted to run or solar power. Farmers will get the subsidy of 60% of solar pump. It shall be deposited to the bank account directly. This subsidy is going to shared by the central and state government. 30% of the cost will be obtained the bank loan. Hence, only the rest of 10% will have to be borne by the farmers themselves. Transmission losses of DISCOMs will be under control. Subsidy burden of DISCOM is sector of agriculture will be decreased with a large extent. This program will also aid in the de-dieseling of the agriculture sector in India. This implies that the existing diesel pump will be replaced. Therefore, code number A is a correct answer for this question. Question number 16. Consider the following statement regarding particularly vulnerable tribal group. First statement, they are the most vulnerable tribal group. Second statement, the Central Ministry of Tribal Affairs has the responsibility of identifying such groups. 3. Ashurs and Bihars of the PVT of Andhra Pradesh. Which of the statement given above is correct? A. 1 only, B. 2 and 3, C. 3 only, D. 1 and 2. Particularly vulnerable tribal group. In India, tribal population makes up to 8.6% of total population. PVT-GS are more vulnerable among the tribal group due to the fact that more development and assertive tribal group to take major chunks of tribal development fund because the PVT-GS need for more fund directed for their development. In 1973, the Darbar Commission created primitive tribal group as the separated category who are less development among the tribal group. In 2006, the Government of India renamed the PTGS as PVTGS, particularly vulnerable tribal group. In this context, in 1975, the Government of India initiated to identify the most vulnerable tribal group, a separate category called PVTGS, has declared 52 such as group, while in 1993, in addition, 23 groups were added the category, making it a total of 75 PVTGS out of 705 scheduled tribes. PVTGS has some basic characteristics. They are mostly homogeneous with a small population, relatively physically isolated, absence of written language, relatively simple technology, and slower rate of change in etc. Among the 75 listed, PVGT is highest number from the Odisha. Therefore, the answer is D of this question. 17. Arrange the following cities of Asia from west to east. 1. Ashokabad. 2. New Delhi. 3. Ulaanbaatar. 4. Beijing. 5. Taiyanga. 6. Tokyo. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 2, 1, 4, 3, 5, 6. B. 1, 2, 4, 3, 6, 5. C. 1, 2, 4, 3, 5, 6. D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The sequence is, first one is Ashokabad, second New Delhi, 3 Ulaanbaatar, 4 Beijing, 5 Taiyanga, 6 Tokyo. The answer is D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 18th question. Question number 18. Global Risk Report is published by A. World Bank, B. World Economic Forum, C. OECD, D. IMF. The Global Risk Report is an annual study published by the World Economic Forum. The forum is annual meeting is Davos, Switzerland. Based on the work of the Global Risk Network, the report describes changes occurring in the global risk landscape from one year to another. World Bank report is Global Financial Development Report. IMF report is World Economic Outlook, Global Financial Stability Report and Fiscal Monitor. The answer is B. World Economic Forum. Question number 19. Identify the INSV which is help of following information. First one. Navika Sagar Parikrama was held in this INSV. Second statement. It is a sailing vessel that has been built by India by Mr. Akurus Shipyard Private Limited, Goa. Select the correct answer using the given code given below. A. INS Tharini, B. INS Mahdi, C. INSV Globe, D. None of the above. INSV Tharini. An all-woman crew committing the INS Tharini who successfully completed circumnavigational exploration around the globe is more than 8 months were conferred prestigious Nari Shakti Puraskar 2017. The expedition President Navika Sagar Parikrama was flagged off from the INS Madhavi board on September 10 last years. The expedition titled Navika Sagara Parikrama is consistent with the national policy to empower women to attain their full potential. It also aimed to showcase Nari Shakti on the world platform and help revolutionize societal attitude and mindset towards women in India by raising the visibility of their participation in challenging inversions. The crew used the indigenously built INSV Tharini, a 55-foot sailing vessel built indigenously in India, thus showcasing in Making India initiative on the international forum. Therefore, the answer is A for question 19. Question number 20. Which of the following pairs are correctly matched? 1. Karaput bauxite, 2. Shimoga iron ore, 3. Bellary manganese, 4. Palakkad copper. Select the correct answer using code given below. A. 1 and 2, B. 2, 3, 4, C. 3 and 4, D. 1 and 4. Shimoga is a major mineral found in the district are limestone, white quartz, kaolin, calcite, manganese. Bellary district is a rich natural resource that need to tap to a great extent to overall development of district. This district is endowed by the rich mineral resource. It has been both metallic and non-metallic mineral. This metallic mineral include iron or manganese or gold, copper and lead. That is D is the answer for the question 20. Thank you. Think before you speak. Read before you think. Prepared by Jay Kotanis, Aeon Study Circle. If you join our study group, all social media, Facebook, Aeon Study Circle, WhatsApp 9846024053, Telegram, Aeon Study Circle. Thank you.